Trying to find the best college saving strategy? With the right plan, you'll have the resources when the time comes. Private College 529 is the only 529 plan that locks in tuition rates at nearly 300 private colleges nationwide, including Duke, Notre Dame, MIT, and Stanford. The rates you prepay are locked in and guaranteed by our member colleges, no matter how much tuition increases. Growth is tied to tuition increases, not market performance. With a 36% increase in average tuition and fees over the last 10 years, the savings can be substantial. Since there are no fees, every dollar you contribute purchases tuition at today's rates, redeemable at any member college in the future. Like other 529 plans, families get tax-deferred growth and tax-free withdrawals when used for qualified expenses. There are a variety of contribution options, and saving early helps you save more. And you don't need to know which college your child will attend. With our nearly 300 colleges, there are options for everyone. Private College 529 plan adds stability to your college saving portfolio. If any of our member colleges could be in their future, it's a smart saving strategy. Ask your financial advisor about us.